How the heck country with 1.4 billion people does not have 11 good players who can represent in a FIFA World Cup?
When will we get to the World Cup? When you stop asking this question after every 4 years and you ask this question every single day, then we'll get to the World Cup. हमारे मेसी रोनाल्डो पैदा होके मर गए. Our system is busy killing all the talent we have.
What are we doing wrong?
How many football stadiums do we have in the country?
I don't know how many. Zero.
Now, when you have 0 stadiums dedicated for football, then how are you going to get there? System mein problem hai. Unless you have professionals running the sport and you do not have people who are elected either because of nepotism or because of power, you will never do well in sports.
Give me the obstacle which system creates.
Merit is not counted in. What else is left? तेरे पास जेब में कितने पैसे हैं, कितनी ब्राइब दे सकता है या कितनी सिफारिश लगा सकता है.
What is one advice nobody should follow?
Play it safe. Never play it safe. You are in your comfort zone. You're never going to grow. You're never going to achieve anything. By playing it safe, no one has become a world champion. You don't play it safe. You take risks. There's only one life. I truly believe we are limited by our belief in ourselves. All of us. No matter who you are, man. I believe success is a choice. Why? Is discipline a choice?
Yeah.
Whose choice? Our choice. Is effort a choice?
Yes.
Is hard work a choice?
Yes.
Success is a choice, man. But you have to just work. No one can fucking stop. In India, we all try to hide our cracks and we try to hide our weaknesses. They are your biggest achievements. Kintsugai is a Japanese term. So when a bowl or something breaks, they don't throw it away in Japan. They fill it up with gold. So they actually highlight it because they think a broken thing which is made again whole is more valuable. You should be celebrating your cracks, telling the whole world what you've been through. Your scars should be your bone with pride.
Tell me how to kill fear.
Suppose I make you stand on the edge of a 100-story building. ये death है. मतलब यहाँ से गिरूंगा मैं मरूंगा. But if I force you and I make you stand like that every day for 1 hour for 100 days, on the 100th day will you feel the same amount of fear?
No.
You know that. So that means you can get over the fear of death. तो क्या रहेगा फिर? Do the thing you fear and the death of fear is certain.
What does it cost rupee by rupee to take a child from a village in India and prepare them for Olympics level or a World Cup level to make them win a medal?
You know,
before we start today's podcast, if you have found anything valuable from this channel, please subscribe. It's free, it takes less than a minute, but it means a lot to us. And to listen to the audio experience of this episode, please follow us on Spotify. House shifting in itself is already a big task, but shifting to a new city is even more difficult. You want to be sure that when you reach the new city, not just your bags, but your furniture and all your household items also reach on time, so you can settle in without any problem. But trusting someone to move all your stuff to another city feels risky. That's why Porter Packers and Movers offer services both within the city and from one city to another across 7 cities: Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune and Ahmedabad. And you also get flexibility. You can pick a part truckload, which is a shared truck, or a full truckload, which is a dedicated one. So you stay in full control of your house shifting at affordable prices. With Porter, you can plan your move without any worries. To know more about our title sponsor Porter and their services, check the link in the description. How the heck country with 1.4 billion people does not have 11 good players who can represent in a FIFA World Cup?
Fallacy, big fallacy.
What does that
1.4
mean?
billion, 1.4 billion कहते रहते हैं. See, if you go to Somalia and say, how does a country of 200 million, whatever, and you don't even have one nuclear scientist, वो बंदा बोलेगा भाई साहब मेरे यहाँ पे मेरा न्यूक्लियर है ही नहीं एनर्जी, मैं क्या करूँगा प्रोड्यूस करके न्यूक्लियर साइंटिस्ट. So, there's a guy called Richard Hood who's a coach. He's done the study. Something known as the birthplace effect. Now, there's another guy called Igor Stimac. He came 3rd in the World Cup. He was the coach of the Indian national team. He's a great friend of mine. So I was sitting with him one day and I was trying to show off to him. यार मैं चंडीगढ़ से हूँ. हाँ चंडीगढ़ से ना 2 Olympic gold medalist है मेरे कॉलेज से. I used to be in DV college. मैं अभिनव बिंद्रा और नीरज चोपड़ा दोनों डीएवी कॉलेज के हैं. And my God, Mega, we are sporting city. So he says, you know, my Croatia. He says, yeah. He says, you know, the capital. I said, yeah. So he says the capital has around 100,000, 200,000 people, and just in my neighborhood is there कहता around 14,000 people. I have 28 gold medals. और मैं चुप हो गया वहाँ पे. मैं कहा ठीक है भाई, बस मैंने बोलना ही नहीं था.
की बात, मैं बहुत फुकरी मार रहा था.
And then I was amazed, and I went online and looked at it, that per capita and per number of people, they produce the maximum things. So it cannot be genes because there are other countries also. So जो birthplace effect कहता है कि there are some places where you will produce more of a certain kind of sports person. Like for example, and that's true. For example, Haryana में you'll find a lot of wrestlers coming out, okay? And even probably from UP, but mostly from Haryana, and Punjab a little bit, but mostly from Haryana. Basketball is from some places in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and again Punjab. Now, same way, when you look at football, it had a birthplace effect that in the last 50 years, all the senior national teams have been made from 85% of the players have come from 25 districts. We have 740 some districts, 740. 85% of my players have come from 25 districts. Now, let me tell you the population of these districts. In Punjab is maximum, so Punjab nahi hai. It's one place called Malpur, Hoshiarpur, Malpur. Then in Bengal, it's not Bengal, it's just the Calcutta area. And it's Mumbai, it's not Maharashtra, it's Mumbai. Okay, then it's Manipur, population of again 1 or 2 crores. Mizoram, population of 15 lakhs. Then Meghalaya, little bit. Then you go down to Kerala, again Chota Sa state. Then you go to Goa, again Chota Sa state. Total population of all these places which I mentioned is 5-7 crores. तो कौन 1.4 billion की बात कर रहे हो आप? जब हमारा आया सारा यहाँ से. अच्छा क्यों? Because see, अगर होता ना कि ठीक है चलो यार Punjabis can play better. No, it's not Punjabis. It's only in Malpur. What about the rest of the Punjabis? How come their genes are not good? System. Somehow, the people who've been playing football all their lives, from they moved from Pakistan to here, they settled somewhere in that belt. In that Malpur area, which is not a district, which is a sub-district of a district, there are 400 football grounds. 400. 400, Raj.
In that small district.
Not a district, it is 1/5 of a district. 400. Now you tell me, how many let's just talk about how many football stadiums, when you say people, how come we're not getting there? How many football stadiums do we have in the country? Football stadiums. I'm not talking about stadiums which are multi-purpose, which have athletic tracks around them. How many World Cup games have you seen with athletic tracks around the stadium? No, none. They are football stadiums. How many do we have in India?
I don't know how many. 0.
We had
in our entire country, we had zero football, dedicated football stadiums.
Dedicated football stadiums only for football. We had, see, any place which is the ground and which has those fattas as steps as that thing is not a stadium. So I don't count Cooperage, even now Cooperage, by the way, near Mumbai. The only ground we had was Cooperage in Mumbai. They have destroyed it and made it small because they made it commercial, and they put paddle and pickleball on the side. So that was the only ground. Before that, it was being used for shadis because that was the only place. So it was, the shadis were happening right there. But that also was not a stadium. Now, when you have 0 stadiums dedicated for football, then how are you going to get there? What are you guys talking about? In India, we have opposite reservation for sports. मतलब हमारे scheduled caste OBCs, tribals को हम reservation देते हैं. क्यों देते हैं? Because we know they are the guys who have been neglected. They didn't deserve to be. They've been doing it because of the caste, which is bullshit. So we need to give them more opportunities than the others because we are the ones who made them go down because of stupid biases which we had. So we give them reservation in places. हम sports में क्या करते हैं? उल्टा. Can you get a medal in the Olympics? Yes. ये ले 5 crore. Oh, you can't get out. So टॉप्स की जो स्कीम है गवर्नमेंट की, टॉप्स मतलब जो टॉप हैं एथलीट्स ऑलरेडी टॉप 8 में इन द वर्ल्ड, They are the ones who are given the assistance and support. But they are the ones who don't require it. Because they are in the top 8 in the world, man. You think Neeraj Chopra needs your money now? Let me tell you when he needed it. He's in DAV college and he was going to go for the World University Games where he won the first medal. We did a raise from the college for his ticket because Sai did not come up with the money in time for him. Then last day, one day before, they gave him the ticket. Otherwise, we had raised enough money. But suppose we had not raised money and Sai had not given it, we would have never got that gold medal. Why? Because he got that gold medal, got into the Indian team, Commonwealth gold, Asian gold, and then Olympic gold. Our system is busy killing all the talent we have.
Why?
Why? Because Dhoni was a goalkeeper, man. But if he had a football ground next to him, he would have been a goalkeeper. And that was what he started as. Leander Paes was a winger. Now, when you have people like Leander Paes, okay, Dhoni may be from a poor family. Leander Paes' dad was Wes Paes, Dr. Wes Paes, very big Olympian, all the resources. But he did not let his son get into football. Even though he was in hockey. Why? Because his son, he didn't want the same biases to trouble him. He wanted him to get into an individual game where no one can trouble you. So if you ask me today that if I had a daughter, would you put him in football? No, never. Son, yes, because I want to make him hard ass, okay? But the daughter, never. Because I will, and that's why people say, why don't you have a girls' academy? By the way, the girls will reach the World Cup faster than the boys. I guarantee it.
Why?
Because they have no one is touching them and AFF is not supporting them. The moment AFF...
How is it a good thing then?
That's a great thing because the moment they start supporting, you've seen what happens to the men's team. I'll give you an example. See, here, the commercialism has come before the game has been successful.
What do you mean by that?
That means the national team is not the first priority. I'll give you an example. Now, Saudi Arabia got Ronaldo there. They got Ronaldo there because they wanted to lift the thing of their league, give them, and because he was there, they'll get other good players. The Saudi Arabians will get better. And when the only way to qualify for the World Cup, by the way, is through the Asian Cup. Okay, and you have to be in the top 4 and you qualify. And now in the top 8 and you qualify, but top 4. So top 4 mein aane ke liye, what did they do? Saudi League was going on. You know Ronaldo's salary is the highest in the world in football. Then you have at least 10 other players who are earning somewhere in the same region because it's the amount of money they're spending. They put the league off for 1 month. Go on holiday. We'll still pay you salary. Why? Asian Cup is coming. Why? Saudi has to qualify for the World Cup. And what did India do? We sent our boys to play for that match for the Asian Cup 1 day before the thing started. 4 boys arrived after the first match. Why? Because the club said we don't want to let them go. The club said that. Right now we went to the Unity Cup 2 weeks ago.
The ISL club.
ISL clubs. 2 weeks ago we went to the Unity Cup. And this is the highest ranked country we played probably in the last 20 years. Jamaica ke saath we played a match. They were 34. We were 140. Our main 7 boys, last minute, the club called them up and said, do not board the flight because AFF has refused to give us any assurances that what happens if you get injured, who will pay us? When your country is not the number one thing in your mind, how will your country get to the World Cup? What are you talking about? When they keep on asking, now, when will we get to the World Cup? When you stop asking this question after every 4 years and you ask this question every single day, then we'll get to the World Cup. Because this question is being asked once every 4 years, then once every 4 years, पूछी जाओ कभी नहीं पहुंचेंगे. Simple as that.
But systematically explain me.
Okay. Now,
like from the beginning, like why isn't India in the World Cup right now playing?
Okay.
What are we doing wrong? From the talent development, from scouting to AIFF to all the politics to all the stuff that you just explained me right
now. So we have a legacy which has been going on from the British times. First of all, there is a fallacy again, which I'm now going to go a little bit off topic to go again why we Indians have not been able to do well in sports, international sports or any other area till around 10 years ago.
Cricket, we are killing
10 years ago.
Okay.
So I'm saying 83 World Cup. उसके बाद अगला World Cup
11.
हाँ तो तुक्का लग गया था ना उस टाइम पे. तो be honest हो गया तुक्का लगा था वो. So that's the whole thing. तुक्का लगा था भाई. You didn't expect it, nobody expected to win it, and beating West Indies, and it's zara tukka lag gaya tha. And that's what the power of the beautiful game is.
But you can't say tukka lag gaya. The team must have prepared themselves very well and they won.
Okay, so you were not in that
I was not
generation. But the movie 83, that explains it very well. What was our ranking in that tournament? What did we do in the last World Cup? What was our structure then? It was just a fluke, bro.
Okay.
Okay, why?
System-wise makes sense.
So,
but the players, they gave it all, so that's why.
Yeah, so
that's why it was not a fluke from their
I'll
point
tell
of
you.
view.
So, for example, the Football World Cup, the first one, and this Uruguay won one or two of them, the first ones, and they've still not won any because there were only 12 teams participating. How many teams were participating when India played? And how many teams are playing now? And out of those teams, how many were actually good? Matlab, they were actually a fight. There was only West Indies and England. Even Australia and three. Bas, or there were 3 people. So when you have a bad day and some people have bad tournaments, you can. So I'm not dissing them at all, okay? There's not an
Systematically, it was
what
not
I'm
designed.
saying is that your process... See, I'll tell you. Results are the outcome of your processes. Results जो आते हैं ना वो फाइनल डे पे आते हैं. जैसे यूसेन बोल्ट बोलता है कि this 9.58 seconds जो मेरे को मिले हैं, just because of the 8 years or 12 years I put in, you just see the 9.98. Same, if the processes are good, your results will have to be consistent. Because we did not win a World Cup from 83 to 2011, it was a tukka.
Okay.
And Abhinav Bindra was like, that was a tukka, this was an anomaly. Because Abhinav Bindra was in spite and despite of system. He's very, very close to me, and because of his father, he was able to get the facilities and he trained crazy. And if he had left it to SAI or Government of India, and you can ask him that openly, he would have never been a gold medalist. Because they did everything in their power to screw it up. But after he won it, they want to give him, like for example, Vaibhav Suryavanshi को अभी 1 करोड़ रुपए दिया है. 12 करोड़ की तो उसकी डील होगी है बैठ की. You think he gives a damn about your 1 crore? If the same chief minister had given that as a Vaibhav Suryavanshi fund for all under 12 cricketers, they would have produced 10 other Vaibhav Suryavanshis. So let me talk about it in cricket sense so the cricket fans will understand. So what is better, to get 10 more or to give Vaibhav 1 more which he'll not care about because he's got 12 just from a bad deal and he'll make thousands by the end of his career? So we give support at the wrong time. Once you made it, once कहते हैं सो क्या टॉप फुटबॉल में कभी जाते नहीं हम एशियन गेम्स में यहाँ पे वहाँ पे फंड नहीं मिलते क्यों? यू कांट बी इन द टॉप 8 इन द वर्ल्ड. टॉप 8 in the world? That means I'm Germany or Spain or France or Netherlands or Brazil or Argentina. Or, I mean, if I'm that, then I don't need your money. I will fund your entire bloody sports ministry if I'm in the top 8 in the world. But if you don't fund me now, I will never get to the top 8 in the world. Simple as that. And that's for every sport. Every sports person is not supported at the right time. Now, like you were saying, so हमारा जो legacy था, 50,000 गोरों ने हमारे पे 400 साल राज किया. क्यों किया? We were 5 crore, 10 crore, 25, 30, 40 crore population. क्यों किया? Because they ingrained it in us, Indians and dogs not allowed. They made us believe that somehow we are not equal to them. From, we going down when they were walking, white subs and all that stuff. So we were never on the same pedestal. We can't sit in the same place. Always made to feel that we are inferior to them in some way or the other. That carried on. Now, after independence, our grandparents were brought up with the same thing. So they never even thought of trying to be the best in the world. Then came our parents' generation who were brought up by our grandparents. They also never thought they were brought up by our grandparents. Ke sale tum gore tumhare se better hain, dhyan rakhna. Then came my generation, which is the third one, and yours is the fourth one. So my generation had an indirect link because my grandparents and parents still brought us up. Your generation has no fucking link to this past.
Yeah.
You think you can paro everybody.
Absolutely.
Yes, you can be number 1 in the world, and that is your only aim. That is your only aim. You have to be number 1 in the world, not India, world.
Yeah.
That is why we are number 4 in the world. That is why when the British came to us, our GDP was 25% of the world. They're saying developed. My God, when they left, we were 3%. And when they came in, UK was 4%, and when they left, they were 30%. Sone ki chidiya isliye kehte the. So the whole point of this was a legacy we were carrying. So when Mohan Bagan beat this East Yorkshire regiment 100 years ago, it was the biggest thing. Why? Because that played a role in Indian mind psyche. The moment you beat Goras, you think, oh, bloody hell, they bleed. Neeraj Chopra. If there are, अभी 10 साल पहले अगर हम, you and me, we just walking down the street and मेरे हाथ में डंडा है, उसके ऊपर स्पेयर लगा हुआ है, पुलिस वाले पकड़ के अंदर दे देते मुझे कि साले क्या कर रहा है रात को. Now it's known as javelin. There are 10 Indians who throw above 80 meters because one Neeraj Chopra did it. You require one to make everyone believe. हमारे इंडियंस को ये है कि कोई करके दिखा दे, फिर देखो हम कैसे पाड़ते हैं. हमारा बंदा करके दिखा दे, हमारा खून. क्योंकि हमें हमेशा बोलते हैं कि हमारे खून में प्रॉब्लम है, जीन्स में प्रॉब्लम है. गुरविंदर सिंह ने किया अभी 10.9 seconds में, उसने पहली चीज क्या बोली, आई वांट टू टेल द होल वर्ल्ड कि हमारे जीन्स, इंडियन जीन्स कैन रन फास्ट. सो नॉट ओनली कैन वी डू इट, वी आर लिमिटेड. I truly believe we are limited in our belief in ourselves. If we believe whatever when we say whatever we believe we can do, whatever your mind can believe it can achieve, this is not just bullshit. It's actually true. If it wasn't true, it wouldn't be made into these sayings.
Yeah.
Now, when you say whatever you do, it's not just about believing it. It's also working your ass off for it. And you are, see, all these boundaries which you have created is not your boundaries, it's society's boundaries. And that you will do because till the time you actually give a rat's ass what people think about you, you will never grow.
Yeah.
Why? Because suppose you are a chore. To impress you, I have to do things what a chore likes.
Yeah.
Simple. Yeah, if you want to be a politician, then you have to do that. Okay, you have to be diplomatic. But the moment you try to compete, forget the best in the world, yeah. The moment you try to compete with your best in your class, you give up. Oh, yaar, ye to bahut aage hai sala. Yeah, you're best in the country, best in the state, best in the world. You will lose every single time. Every single time, no matter who you are, you will lose. If you compete with yourself every single day, you will win and you'll beat that guy. I'll give you an example why. Because who do you know the best in life?
Yourself.
Yeah. And who can't you lie to? And who's the easiest person to beat then? So, सर आई छोटी बात करते हैं, सर मैंने वर्ल्ड चैंपियन बनना है. हाँ भाई वर्ल्ड चैंपियन बनना है, किस में बनना है? सर आई वांट टू बी द फास्टेस्ट मैन इन द वर्ल्ड. ठीक है, तो अभी कौन है? यूसेन बोल्ट. सर क्या टाइमिंग है? 9.58. ठीक है भाई, तेरी क्या है? सर 11 सेकेंड. वेरी गुड. तो तू कल को क्या बीट करेगा? 9.58 के 11 को?
11.
एंड मेक इट 10.99, 10.98, 10.97, 10.96. If you're better than yesterday every single day, one day you'll beat Usain Bolt. So even if you want to be world champion, your competition is you. And the moment you try to compete with the best, you will lose. You compete with yourself is the easiest person to beat. And that starts with not giving a rat's ass what people think about you. Because your competition is you. The only person you should care about who anybody thinks of is you, what you think of yourself. Because when you look at yourself in the mirror, you can't lie.
Fair. But tell me, when we were talking about systematically, how you said we don't believe.
No, that is the mental part.
Yeah.
Now comes the system part. Like I just told you, अगर धोनी के पास ग्राउंड नहीं था, वो चला गया. कितने यू थिंक हमारे मेसी रोनाल्डो पैदा होके मर गए हैं? वो कहते हैं हमारे पास नहीं है. पहले हम पूछते थे अगला तेंदुलकर कहाँ से आएगा, याद है बात? देन धोनी आया, फिर हम पूछते थे धोनी कहाँ से आएगा. अब कोई नहीं पूछ रहा कि विराट कोहली कहाँ से आएगा अगला. पता है हमें. पता क्या 50 है. ठीक है. क्यों? बिकॉज एवरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन इंडिया हैज अ सुपर सॉपर, जैसे जो पानी करता है वो, बट 2 crores. So our districts, our grassroots is so great in cricket. Right now I can make a T20 team, a test team and a one-day team, which will all be world champions, and I can make another T20 team which will beat the first T20 team because I'll open with Jaiswal and Vaibhav Sooryavanshi and Shubman Gill. Man, तुम लोगों को imagine, तुम ये बंदे हमने ड्रॉप किए हुए हैं, हम जायसवाल को टेस्ट में खिलाते हैं. इमेजिन, मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा हो क्या रहा है इस कंट्री में. जस्ट इमेजिन, दैट्स द टैलेंट. या व्हाई टैलेंट अभी पहले नहीं था. 10 साल पहले नहीं था. तेंदुलकर नहीं मिल रहा था, अब कहाँ से मिल गया? ग्रास रूट सिस्टम से. क्यों? क्योंकि पैसा गया, हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट गई है.
बट एक्सप्लेन फ्रॉम लेट्स से पोस्ट इंडिपेंडेंस, ओके, 1947 में.
सेम थिंग विद हॉकी. टॉक अबाउट द सेम, व्हेन यू सेम इंडिपेंडेंस, ट्रैजेक्टरी ऑफ फुटबॉल एंड हॉकी देखना.
So, but 47 mein, let's compare football and cricket, and if you want to bring hockey, bring it. Okay. So, post independence, Britishers हमारे इधर आए, Britishers ने rule किया. Now they've left, right? They've given us football, they've given us cricket. Both are English games.
Hockey,
right? And they've given us hockey as well. Okay. So they've given this. They've made boards. फुटबॉल की भी बोर्ड है, क्रिकेट की भी बोर्ड है.
They give us all the games, okay?
हाँ, तो मतलब फुटबॉल की भी बोर्ड है, क्रिकेट की भी बोर्ड है. Yet today cricket is where it is. Football is not.
Let me tell
they
you,
both are not our games.
Forget about that time, bhai. 2010, AIFF had 40 crores in his account and BCCI had 40 crores in his account.
Is it true?
Yep.
No, yeah, BCCI were much richer.
Before IPL started.
Even before IPL, they were making minting money. There were like hundreds of crores were there just jersey.
No, this is when that guy came in, Dalmia came in. That's where the money started coming in. Before that, Mascarenhas, Matthias Mascarenhas, whatever his name was, Transworld International wala banda tha. वो आया था पहले, the guy who had got Tendulkar for the 100 crore deal and he died later. So he's the guy who brought in sponsorship and matches and all that. उससे पहले क्या था कि दूरदर्शन had a right for every match by default because it was national importance. Every match was live for free. You could not sell it. It was only started being sold from the Sharjah series in 90s and 95, 96, 97. And तब तक जाके तो वो same चीज cricket में चल रही थी. तो there was not much difference in football and cricket even till I'm talking about the board ka power and money.
Okay.
Till the 2005-6 में, or maybe I'm wrong, 2010, 2005-6 में. See, this is a fact which I've read. So it's very true.
Okay.
2005-6 में, it was almost the same. I'm talking about the money part.
Okay, let's believe what you're saying. Okay.
So I'm talking about now, let's go back to what you said in independence. Were we ever good in football? Yes.
Were we?
In 1960, we were Asian Games champion. We beat Korea in the final. Where is Korea right now? Okay, let's give another example. 1964 Olympics, we came fourth in football.
Yeah, that I read.
In 1962, we were Asian Games gold medalist. 70s May, the last time we were actually good, we lost to France, a very close match, 1-0 in Paris.
And then what happened?
I'm telling you. Let's now go to hockey. Hockey mein we were gold medalist 9 times straight. Pakistan ka bhi same tha, gold medalist. Sara, they were doing very well. Downfall started in 80s. When from sports being a skill-based game turned into a sports science and athlete-based game. That's what came in. And we Indians were left far back. Now, for example, hockey mein kya tha? Hockey mein till the 90s and even probably 2000s, I could count the number of turfs on my hand. Now, and the entire game used to play on turfs. And that change happened in 80s. We didn't have any money. Khana pina bhoog tha pehle hamara, nange the hum. So that was never putting turfs. There was never a priority. And that is why the downfall happened. Not only for us, for Pakistan as well. Why is Pakistan still there? Because they still don't have turfs. We have over 4,000 turfs in the country right now. 4,000. 800 turfs to हमारी उड़ीसा में है. So, हाँ. So let me tell you about one state, how they changed. This needs to be known as a Bimaru state. So everyone, Bimaru state was named. There were 5-6 states. Bimaru basically was a full form of something that they were not economically well. So Bihar was one of them, and then Odisha was one of them. So this chief minister said, okay, I'm going to take it on myself to bring back hockey. So he made stadiums. He had the Hockey World League. He hosted 2 Hockey World Cups. And he made, in his time, over 200, 300 turfs all over. Every district had a turf. So every kid in every district used to go and play. 50% of the Indian hockey team is now made by tribals from Jharkhand and Odisha in the women. 50% because of that one man. So how much was their budget? When India's sport budget was 1,500 crores, Odisha's sport budget was 1,300 crores. Odisha.
Wow.
Imagine that. When we had an entire budget. And then they had the great officer called Vinil Krishna who was part of it. Now he's inside. And if you go to see the facilities they created in Odisha, I have never seen better facilities in the world. Even now I'm saying that openly because all our Olympic athletes used to go and train there. Now, on the other side, and then when you have all these facilities, we will start doing, you name one sport, let me give you an example in hockey. Hockey mein, which are the countries which do well in hockey? Let's talk about Europe. Spain, and you have England, you have Germany, you have Italy, and France. And then in Asia, which are the ones? Korea, Japan, Australia. अच्छा साउथ अमेरिका में भी खेलती है. हाँ, कौन सी खेलती है? अर्जेंटीना. ये सारी फुटबॉल खेलती हैं एंड दे गुड इन फुटबॉल. हाँ, बट हॉकी में वी कैन बीट हॉलैंड. हाँ, वी कैन किक देयर एस. इन स्पेन वी कैन डू दैट. क्यों? वहां पे जो स्पेनिश हॉकी खेलते हैं वो क्या सोच के खेलते हैं? अच्छा, ये जो सबसे घटिया बंदे हैं उनको हम हॉकी खिलाएंगे ना. Sports is sports. The one who they get the same sports science, the Spain nutrition, the same kind of facilities with the belt. So how come we are able to beat them
in hockey?
Let's talk about cricket. New Zealand, they've qualified for the World Cup in football. Is New Zealand a football country? No. Rugby or cricket.
Yeah.
हमारे खून में क्यों नहीं प्रॉब्लम है? खून में इसलिए प्रॉब्लम है कि सप्रीत सिंह is a boy whose father was shifted from Jalandhar in early 2000s to New Zealand, and he tried to force his son to play cricket because that's the country. There are more sheep than people in New Zealand. But कहता नहीं, मैंने फुटबॉल खेलनी है. He played under 17 World Cup for New Zealand. He played under 20 World Cup for New Zealand in football, Sapreet Singh. He got signed for Bayern Munich. And he's now playing for New Zealand in the World Cup. तो हमारे खून में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. प्रूफ है. ये प्रूफ है आपके पास. सिस्टम में प्रॉब्लम है. The system is so badly screwed that unless you have professionals running the sport and you do not have people who are elected either because of nepotism or because of power or because of the wrong reasons, you will never do well in sports. In any sports. So in cricket, you're doing well because there's too much of money and they can't afford to get it wrong.
But somebody must have changed the entire politics, the bat system and all that stuff in cricket also, no?
Yeah.
Because this would have been the similar case in cricket.
Yes. So it was...
It didn't happen. That somebody didn't come in football.
Let me tell you, it was... So in cricket, people don't know. So Lalit Modi's been going very popular with his thing. So I was very deeply involved with cricket. I was the local manager. I've done 7 tests and 21 days as the manager of the Indian cricket team, where they used to come to Chandigarh or Mohali or wherever. I used to be there, and I was with the ICC. I've done a stint in the Champions Trophy as the manager of Pakistan also. They put me there, not manager of Pakistan, put me there for the tournament which was happening in India. So I've been, and then Shubman has played for my club since he's been 13, and with that 11 other internationals from starting with Siddharth Kaul, Gurkeerat Maan, Manan Vora, and you name them, and Manpreet Goni, all these boys are, and again, Prabh Simran, Harpreet Brar, the new ones coming up, all these boys.
Are Minerva boys.
Yeah, Minerva. So they played at least 100 matches for us, and we used to play them from 14 to 20 before they made it to the senior teams. So now, when you have this kind of, when you've seen from inside that there was something known as ICL started by ZTV before IPL.
I know.
इसीलिए इनको आइडिया है ये. This was not an original idea, IPL. So what did they do?
Okay.
They banned ICL. And they banned all the players playing there. Everybody. And then because ये था, इनको लगा इनको करेंगे कोई और कर लेगा, they started their own. And it became a hit. It was never a planned thing. It was in reaction to Subhash Chandra's ICL. Please look it up in history, you'll find it. See the things we're being, oh my God, they did the IPL. No, they didn't. It was by mistake that it happened. It was because of a direct reaction to the ICL happening. Now, what happened with the AIFF? Now, see, वो इस तरह क्या हुआ? वो हो गया, successful हो गया. AIFF ने क्या किया? They gave the entire rights, commercial rights, and the control of the federation and the national team to a private organization, FSDL, owned by Ambani and Reliance, to run the game, which is the great thing as long as it was marketing and commercial.
ISL.
Yeah. But the moment you give rights of the national team, क्या national team का coach भी वही लगाएंगे और वो decide कर सकते हैं, they can have veto power over the federation and the federation does not own the league, then you have a big problem. Now we have a very big problem also. There was no merit involved. That means if you are rich enough, that means you're able to give 18 crores a year to the private company, you're allowed to take part in the league. It's got nothing to do with your merit. Whereas all over the world, football is a merit-based game. It's the beautiful game because on any day, a poor man's team can beat you. And you may be a billionaire club. Okay, like for example, Saudi Arabia beat Argentina in the last World Cup. Argentina went and won the World Cup. And that is the whole power that you have to have buying and selling clubs. मतलब कई क्लब प्लेयर खरीदते हैं, कई बेचते हैं. तो बेचने के लिए प्रोड्यूस करने पड़ते हैं. That means they have to have good academies. In India, all the clubs are owned by billionaires. They're all buying clubs. Who's the selling club? Only me. Because I am the only one who's had an academy and there's no money in it, so nobody is doing it. Nobody's doing it because your existence doesn't depend on it.
But isn't it in their favor to actually nurture talent so that their club's value go up?
If they look at it in a long term, they only look at it that year कि हमने उस साल title जीतना है. So instead of spending 5 crores on their youth academy for all under 13, 15, 18, they'll get a better striker for 5 crores. They might not even win it.
No, they might be scouting as well. Because every club owner would actually think for long-term value compound for their club's value, right?
Exactly, na. Yeah. Exactly. So it's not rocket science, na. It's very simple. So now what is happening is because it's all the billionaires fighting for each other, the salaries of the players are through the roof. It's great for me and my boys, but it's through the roof. That means the highest paid player in India is getting, for example, the topper of. So parents की होता है ना कि हमारे बच्चे को यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं जाना चाहिए क्योंकि उस पैसा नहीं है, फ्यूचर नहीं है, ये नहीं है. So IIT का टॉपर जो इस बारी सारी IITs में मद्रास का कोई लड़का था, he got 4.3 CR as the package. Okay, that's the highest. The highest Indian paid player right now is a boy called Anwar Ali, who's 22, 23, and he's getting 4.8 CR. That is equal to what a boy called Martin Lewis Kelly from Arsenal is earning, 5 CR. No disrespect to you, Anwar, okay? But is Anwar probably as good as those boys right now? No. No, he's not. But the reason, that is why no Indian will ever leave India to go and play outside. Because outside, they will get 1/10 the money. They will not be big, huge stars. There will be nothing. Now, the Japanese league is the one of the top 10 leagues of the world. The Korean league is also a top 10 league in the world. That means talking about the number of players, money, this, that. None of the Korean players play in Korea. None of the Japanese players play in Japan. International players. None of them.
Why?
They play in Europe. And when they come back, they're that good. And we Indians don't want to get out of our comfort zone. Because there's this chance you might not succeed. But I don't blame these boys. Why?
But maybe the international offers must not be coming.
Yeah, because उनको वहाँ पे जो यहाँ पे मिल रहा है उससे 1/10 मिलेगा तो क्यों जाएगा बंदा? So I don't blame them.
No, but are the offers at 1/10 price coming in?
They don't come in. Offers don't come in. You have to go there. See, when you are from India, you have to go and show who you are. Now, for example, if you score 100 goals in the Indian Super League, do you think Barcelona will pick you up? No, man.
They don't care.
They don't care what's happening in the Super League. Okay, but if you have a 12-year-old who goes and scores against Barcelona, at 13 he scores against Real Madrid, at 14 he scores against Liverpool, at 15 he scores against Man U in some tournament, you think at 16 he'll be picked up by them?
Yeah. One of them will put them under camp and be like, chalo.
Exactly. Now, I'll give you an example of why I'm so pissed off. See, all my haters in India are all the rich clubs. All the rich clubs and the ones who are professional and organized and all their second division and all the small clubs, they love me because I'm come from them. But these guys hate me. Why? Because see, Barcelona has the best academy in the world, La Masia, which is known as producing Messi and all those guys. So they, or Ajax or Real Madrid, okay? So the best academy in the world, that means they have the best coaches, they have the most money, they have best infrastructure, sports science, this, that. So who are the best clubs in India? So that means that is why they produce the best players. Obviously, because everything is best, the best. Who are the best players in India? The best clubs in India, the ones who have the maximum money are the Indian Super League clubs. Okay? They have the best coaches, best infrastructure, best whatever, man. Other than Bengaluru FC. Why Bengaluru FC? Because Bengaluru FC were an I-League club. And from I-League, they went there. The system, they have an entire city. So my hat's off to Bengaluru because he's not just doing it for football. Parth and his entire family, they're doing it for the entire thing because Bellary, they've got an entire city which is devoted to sports. So that is massive. This is brilliant. So before the ISL started, they were already doing it. And other than Bengaluru FC, now look at the stat. How many players ISL has been going on for the last 11 years. How many players for India has ISL clubs produced which have come from their academy? How many?
I wouldn't know. Tell me. No way. In 11 years, the club has not produced
Except
one
BFC.
national team player.
Yes. Not even one. In fact, there were clubs who had great academies who were in the I-League, but they shut down their academies, and that is why Bengal football is dead. East Bengal and Mohun Bagan. They used to have great academies. For 100 years, they had academies. And the moment ISL stopped, they stopped. Why? Because fund utne hai, so the owner, whoever the billionaire owners are, they think, oh, is pe kyun kharch kar rahe hain? What is the ROI here? Nothing? Oh, ye karna hai. Because I want a title this year. So how many players? 0. Now let's come to another stat. How many players have been produced by me? We have produced 250 internationals in the last 10 years for all age groups, which is more than the total of every other club and academy in India put together on one side. Saron ko ikkatha kar lo ek side pe. We have still produced more. And I'm saying it openly and I keep saying it. So somebody should come and say it out me. And am I a genius? No. Am I wrong? Why? It's the simplest thing to do. You make them play morning, night at the young age. They will become footballers. Football is the easiest game in the world to teach because you don't need money. African countries are doing it. Na? They don't have any money. Genes, we've proven our genes. So, तुम genes की क्या बात करते हो? जब हम भूखे नंगे थे ना, that means 50s, 60s, 70s. The only medals we used to get was in boxing or in wrestling or in weightlifting. और कोई medal ही नहीं आते थे हमारे. तो तुम कौन से जीन्स की बात कर रहे हो? नहीं, हमारे पास पैसे नहीं है. अब तो पैसे भी आ गए हैं. पॉपुलेशन काफी नहीं खेलती. सो केप वर्ड और कुरासाओ और आइसलैंड एक की पॉपुलेशन है.
Curaçao is 150,000 people, small island.
So if we bro
and they are playing in World Cup this year.
दिवाली के मेले पे ज्यादा होते हैं हमारे. I'm not so imagine. So it's got nothing to do with the amount of people playing. These are all excuses. This is all just trying to show people why they are so shit. Now they've got this new great idea. Let's get OCIs and PIOs. So basically you've said, वही बात कि वो बंदा एक बंदा यहाँ से बाहर जाके ऐसी कंट्री में चले जाए, न्यूजीलैंड जाए, जहाँ पे फुटबॉल है ही नहीं. It's like the 4th or 5th game in a small country. वो वहां से जाके वो भी साला वर्ल्ड कप पहुंच जाता है इंडियन. ठीक है ना? वो तुम उसको लाने के लिए तैयार हो, but you got millions. That means you've given up. What is your point then? What is the point of having a federation if you're still going to go and take other federations produce players? And they're not produced by you. They may be your khoon, but they're not produced by you. So what are you going and telling the Indians who are here? That we've given up? That you are not good enough? We're telling our own Indians. So is that a long-term solution? Ke bahar se le aao? Come on, man. If they want to play for India, tell them to give up their passports. This thing about having dual passports and allowing them permission is not right. You better bleed blue. When you're playing for your national team, तुमारे marne. I'm not kidding when I say this. तुमारे marne ke liye. See, I'm from when the armed forces background is there, na. For me, there is nothing known as second place. Second place in the armed forces, war mein second place ka matlab kya? You're dead. There is nothing known as second place. Second place, last place, same. And you have to just hate it so much. Like, I have a son who's 2.5. The day he beats me in anything, I will be the saddest man in my life, not the proudest. The day I lose to my dad who's 80, I will be devastated. I don't care. If you're on the field, I'll beat your ass and I'll boil your children and eat them alive. I don't care because that's what it is. You are on the field. You cannot be soft. Indians ka, from the very beginning, their attitude has been too soft. Atiti Deva Bhav jo hamara hai. See, as long as you're off the field, I'm saying my kid and my dad, off the field and they are my love, man. On the field, किसी का love नहीं है, तुम आओ तो सही. It is a habit you call. So we Indians, these Goras have come here from these academies. Who are the Indian cricketers who are going abroad and playing for other national teams? The ones who don't even make the districts here. I'm not kidding. The boys who don't make my club side, Minerva's club side, are national team captains of other countries. So who do you think are the footballing coaches who come here? Or the players who come here? कौन होते हैं वो? Exactly. Can't you get it? How are you going to become, oh, we should play with better players, that's why? No, better players. If that was the criteria, then everyone in the Spanish league would be Messi, because Messi's been playing in the Spanish league for 20 years, man. You don't improve at that age. So let's come to that. Now let's come to the foundation. तो मैंने बताया, जैसे आप कह रहे थे कि क्यों नहीं बने, हम क्यों नहीं बने? Because of our system. Talent की problem बिल्कुल नहीं है. It's a system which sucks so bad. In fact, sucks क्या? It is working against you. At every single time, you will have obstacles and hurdles, and that is why people just give up. The number of people who I know personally who have just given up in sports is immense. It's just too many.
Give me top 3 obstacles which system creates.
Merit is not counted in. What else is left? बाकी बातें ही छोड़ दो यार.
They don't care if you're a good player.
Sports is about merit.
But
sports
what matters? What matters if not merit? How do I get in?
तेरा बाप कौन है? तेरे पास जेब में कितने पैसे हैं, कितनी ब्राइब दे सकता है, या कितनी सिफारिश लगा सकता है, या कितने काम कर सकता है? And you think, oh, this is still happening. Oh my God.
A local state football club or like a state football team, I will get in the team just because my father.
No, not football team. Football teams will be playing to win. I'm talking about where you will actually become a footballer. वो football team में तो तुम जाओगे, तुम footballer बन चुके हो. I'm talking about when you are playing for your nationals, for your states, for your districts. Starting from your district की टीम में जाना है.
Okay.
पैसे खिलाओ, या तुम्हारा बाप कुछ है, तुम्हारी माँ कुछ है, या तुम्हारे चाचा मामा है.
District की टीम में.
District की टीम में.
If you have to get in.
Because district की टीम से सर्टिफिकेट मिलता है, तुम्हारे स्कूल में एडमिशन मिलती है. फिर डिस्ट्रिक्ट के बाद तुम स्टेट में जाते हो, स्टेट के सर्टिफिकेट से तुम्हारे को कॉलेज में एडमिशन मिलती है, और फिर नेशनल खेलते हो, नेशनल से तुम्हें नौकरी मिलती है, और उसके लिए पैसे खर्च करते हैं लोग. दे रादर इंस्टेड ऑफ पेइंग ब्राइब्स देयर, दे रादर पे मनी ब्राइब्स हियर व्हिच विल मच लोअर, कि मेरे बेटे को नेशनल खिला दे. एंड यू विल सी व्हेन दिस एपिसोड इज हियर्ड, you will see so many of your comments down there. Oh my God, this is happening, this is happening, this is happening, this is clearly happening, because everyone's been through it.
So how much? Okay, tell me the price. If somebody wants to play football in district.
संतोष ट्रॉफी खेलनी है. संतोष ट्रॉफी सीनियर नेशनल. दैट मीन्स आपको ये, अगर आप सर्टिफिकेट दिखाओगे, आपको किसी भी कॉलेज, दिल्ली के कॉलेज में, कहीं के कॉलेज में भी एडमिशन मिल जाएगी स्पोर्ट्स कोटे में. दैट मीन्स द कॉलेज विल टेक केयर ऑफ योर फीस and your khana pina rehna, because you have that certificate.
And then cut off won't matter because
one and a half, 1 lakh, 1.5 lakhs. Aram se you can get into any team. Then in the junior teams, it's from 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, matlab 14, 16, 18.
So if you pay 20, 40,000 rupees, you play in a team.
You play in the team.
Regardless of how you play.
So जो बच्चा अच्छा है और वो गरीब है और वो देख रहा है कि क्या फायदा ये, इससे अच्छा जो मम्मी डैडी कर रहे हैं, मैं मेहनत ही कर लेता हूँ, यहाँ पे तो रखा नहीं है. बिकॉज इवन इफ आई एम गुड एंड आई विल बीट हिज एस, ही इज बीइंग टेकन बिकॉज ही इज रिचर देन मी. And what did I do in the senior football? I was playing in the I-League, the top league of the country. I beat Mohun Bagan and East Bengal in Calcutta in front of 80,000 people with my academy boys. Okay? And we won the I-League, which was the top league of the country. We went to the Asian Champions League, AFC Cup. उसके अगले साल को सेकंड, पूरी लीग को डिमोट कर दिया इन्होंने. क्योंकि क्या किया था BCCI ने, वो कह रहा था किसी और का बच्चा, ZTV का बच्चा वो बना रहे थे. उसने बोला ये क्या मतलब है, ये तो गेम मेरी है, forget this, I'm going to make my own. IFF ने क्या किया, किसी और के बच्चे को लाके टॉप की लीग पे बना दिया. Did they own that league, ISL? No. Did they have any control on it? No. But they made them the top league. And there was no merit. That means there's no promotion and relegation. That means even if you're the last team, you don't go down.
You still play.
You still play. And यहाँ पे second division जो मेरे को बना दी है, third division, fourth division, यहाँ पे जीतते हैं तब जाके थर्ड पे आते हैं, यहाँ पे जीतते हैं सेकंड पे आते हैं, नहीं तो यू कीप गोइंग डाउन इफ यू द लास्ट टू. हमारे लिए है, मतलब इफ आई विन द सेकंड डिवीजन आई कांट गो देयर. व्हाई? बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव इनफ मनी टू पे अ प्राइवेट कंपनी 18 crores a year. इफ आई हैड, एक तो पहले थे नहीं, अगर होते भी ना तो इनको क्यों देता, मैं अपनी अकेडमी पे ना लगाता. बिकॉज आई वुड हैव प्रोड्यूस्ड 180 players, 200 players from there because of that 18 crores. And when you do this and you make merit not a part of sports, you will never do well. In the last 10, 12 years, the number of people who've come into the ISL as new players, matlab naye, I can count on my fingers. In the ISL, the ones who are doing well, they're same guys playing. Because there are no academies. I can count the number of residential academies on my hand, the ones who are class, on my hand.
Tell me, You said if you have to play in a national team.
Not national team में एक और
If you have to play nationals.
No. Nationals. Nationals means I'm
State
playing
team.
for Punjab and
state
the
team.
nationals. हाँ.
State team. So if you have to be in a state team to play nationals, you have to pay 1.5 lakhs. And then you can get
Yes.
it. Right?
Yes.
Regardless of how shit player you are.
Doesn't matter. You have never played football in your life. I am not kidding, bro.
Like I can pay 2 lakhs and walk in tomorrow and
Yes, in Santosh Trophy I can make you play.
No way.
Yeah, bro. It's very, very open. That's how corrupt it is.
And it's an open secret, like everybody knows.
Let me even blow your mind further. In cricket, there was fixing happening and they were caught. And when you give odds, so मैंने राज को हराना है क्रिकेट में, तो मेरी जो odds हैं and but the police is watching all of us and we're not going to do it. But मैं राज से फुटबॉल खेल रहा हूँ, odds तो मेरे वही हैं, but यहाँ पे कोई देख नहीं रहा मुझे. तो जो बुकी है वो यहाँ पे फिक्सिंग करेगा, which is the most scrutinized game here, कि कहाँ करेगा. So I'll just give you an example. Go on to Delhi Premier Leagues. This is Delhi State Senior League जो होती है, वो YouTube पे आती है. Go on to the YouTube, any of the things, and you'll see there are all the comments. 80% of comments are in a different language, either Russian or East European, and talking about rates and football and all that, because they're betting on it. And they're fixing matches here. In every state league. I put out videos last year of fixing happening in Delhi. It was proven, FIRs were launched. Why is fixing still happening everywhere? Because no one's gone to jail for it. In the history of Indian football, no one has ever gone to jail for fixing. Because in India, we don't have a rule, we don't have a law. What is fixing? There's nothing. That is because the court has ruled that no, it can't be said as cheating. It is cheating. How is it not cheating? It's fraud.
But cricket mein fixing is very strict. No, you can't do that.
Yeah, because they've now, because the amount of money which is involved, not because of anything else. अगर तुम्हारे 10 रुपए के क्रिकेटर है, तुम्हारे को कौन करेगा, करी जाओ फिक्स. ये हो रहा है फुटबॉल में. 10 रुपए के फुटबॉलर है, करी जाओ फिक्स. And it's being fixed. Now again, so suppose junior में मैं देख रहा हूँ I'm good enough, I can't get in because उसका बाप ही है या उसके पास पैसे हैं. सीनियर में क्या हो रहा है? सीनियर में सेम चीज हो रही है, एक्सेप्ट वहां पे 5 प्लेयर खुद के गोल मारी जा रहे हैं. एंड व्हेन आई से खुद के गोल, ब्रो, यू हैव टू सी हाउ ब्लेटेंट इट इज, मैन.
मतलब own goal.
Blatant. It is just blatant.
Blatantly, they are doing own goals because it's fixed.
It is that fixed. It is that blatant that any guy who's never seen football in his life
Can make it.
can come to know.
And how much do they get paid to do own goals?
10,000-20,000 rupees. Why? Because what is the club paying them for the entire season of Delhi Premier League? 40,000 bucks. So if they can make 20,000 from every match, and it's the easiest thing to do is fix the referee. Because up to we don't have to fix the match also. You have to fix the number of yellow cards. Okay, this team will get more than 4 yellow cards. You double your money. So क्या करते हैं bookies? वो 10,000 पे East European countries बैठे हुए हैं. 10,000 यहाँ, 10,000 यहाँ, 10,000 यहाँ, 10,000 यहाँ. So it's not flagged. Suppose, otherwise it's flagged. If it's a big bet on one particular thing, it's flagged. So छोटी-छोटी bets लगा के from 10 different places, they make money. And they're making money in every state league in India. So I'll blow your mind even further. See, when sports comes in and this all comes in, you have to legalize it. The problem with thing is you have to legalize betting. What they did is this. You think it's going to stop? You think betting has stopped in cricket? You also know, and I also know that all our friends are bloody going crazy. Every match, because they've got numbers. And nowadays, oh my God, I saw somebody using an app, man. Yeah, they're using apps to bet. And they've got, हमारे time पे, I used to be had to go, हाँ भाई क्या rate आ रहा है and all that stuff, ये ऊपर नीचे, seen all that happening, man, in front of me, and now it's app. You just press buttons. And then you say that we have banned it. No, somebody else is making the money. So how do you make India a superpower? If there's no money, that's where your money is. You legalize it and you make sure your government is earning interest in it. And you know how much money it will be? It will be your highest earning revenue source in the country by far, by beating everybody. If you're allowing lotteries in some places, state governments, भाई मैं इसीलिए बोल रहा हूँ, state government lottery allow कर रहे हो, कई states में तुमने casino allow कर दी है, तो ये क्या मतलब है तुम betting allow नहीं करोगे? Same way, coming to alcohol, how is the other drugs which are not allowed better than alcohol?
But betting will, in an uneducated country, betting destroys houses.
Yes.
And that's why it's not allowed.
Yes. So that you have kept him safe. But does drinking destroy houses?
Yeah, but there's
Vice
an
versa.
age limit and stuff like that.
Alcohol.
Betting mein,
Alcohol is
bet-
available.
there's an age limit and stuff, at least by the law. So betting mein, anybody can download it on their phone.
Are
as a
drugs
kid and then
available
they'll-
in Karyana shops? Heroin available in Karyana shops?
They're trying to fight it in an illegal way. So illegal way, mein betting is also allowed. So
Why?
they've not legalized drugs, so it's not allowed. So betting can't be
Weed is
allowed.
legalized
just
all
for
over the world now for that reason.
हाँ, but for India, I'm talking what
यार फिर वही
specifically,
तो मैं
it's
कह
not
रहा हूँ
allowed,
ना.
right?
See, वही मैं कह रहा हूँ ना. You have to see if it is gonna stop it. If it is gonna stop, or maybe even make it less. You made it so organized, man. They've got apps now. You force. So
And someone sitting out of some other country
Now-
is actually operating it.
who's making the money?
that
Somebody
person.
outside. Why aren't you making the money? It's my Indians' money. Same way I was talking about Messi getting 150 crores. He's going to get 150 crores. He's going to take the money to Argentina. With Indian money, he's going to make 10 more Messis. It is Indian money. So if there is, for example, ZTV gave $30-40 million for this football right. That means that much money is there for football in India. You tell me one cricketer, including Virat or Shubman or Tendulkar, who will give 85 lakhs rupees for standing next to him selfie? With Tendulkar बोल रहा हूँ मैं, कौन देगा 85 लाख? 10 lakh rupees for a selfie with Virat Kohli, as long as you're in the picture with two here, just for 1 second. You'll give 10 lakhs. Anyone will give 10 lakhs in India? No. But for a foreigner, Messi, for coming in and you'll do that, and he's a foreigner. Imagine if you're an Indian there who's as good. You don't understand. Cricket and football are not, people will hate me for this, they're not comparable. For CSK fans will not divorce their wives if their wives are Mumbai Indian fans. And their kids can be Punjab 11 fans, it's their choice. You try doing that in Mohun Bagan households, East Bengal households, Banyu households, Liverpool households. They will throw you out or divorce you. Ultras go and kill each other. They will fight and fight to death for you. Which cricket club has that? Which any sport, forget that, any sport. So football, so Bill Shankly, a very famous Liverpool coach said, people say football is a matter of life and death. I can assure them it's much more. Because that's the kind of response you don't understand. It's the number one game in 155 countries. Now, I would have said कि मैं यहाँ पे क्यों आ रहा हूँ when I know that it's never going to do well. Because it's an anomaly. We are doing well in hockey, beating the same countries which do well in football. We are playing cricket and doing the same thing. You think, see, वो कहेंगे अच्छा हॉकी में पैसे नहीं है इसीलिए वो बेस्ट बंदे उनकी क्रीम नहीं आती. क्रिकेट में तो क्रीम आती है, कितने पैसे हैं? तो क्रिकेट में हम ऑस्ट्रेलियंस की पार सकते हैं, क्रिकेट में हम न्यूजीलैंड की कर सकते हैं, और बाकी जो कंट्रीज हैं उनको तो हम छोड़ते ही नहीं है. तो हाउ कम इन नॉट इन फुटबॉल? Okay, in javelin we can do that. In shooting we can do that. In badminton we are world number 1 in doubles now. World number 1, 2, Chirag and Satvik and all. Then in
tennis also we
in
proved
tennis we've
one.
had grand slams, man. All of them from even men's, women's, both. Then you look at hockey, we are now in the top 10. You look at